The Bennett PL-11 Airtruck was a New Zealand agricultural aircraft designed to serve the country's demanding aerial top-dressing industry. It was developed by Italian-born aeronautical engineer Luigi Pellarini, who had earlier created the Kingsford-Smith PL-7 tanker in Australia. After moving to New Zealand and joining Bennett Aviation, later reorganized as Whitehomo Aircraft, Pellarini sought to replace the aging de Havilland Tiger Moth in agricultural service. The PL-11 was radical in configuration. It was an all-metal, high-wing monoplane with a steel stub-wing center section and V-type lift struts. The fuselage was extremely short and pod-like. The cockpit, built using modified glazing from surplus North American T6 Texan, known locally as the Harvard, was mounted directly above a 9-cylinder Pratt Whitney R-1340 radial engine rated at 550 horsepower. This unusual placement provided exceptional forward visibility for low-level operations, but increased aerodynamic drag. The aircraft featured a steerable tricycle undercarriage and twin tail booms supporting separate vertical stabilizers. The gap between the booms allowed a truck to reverse directly beneath the tail for rapid loading of superphosphate into the hopper. Alternatively, the cabin could accommodate up to 5 passengers. The prototype, registered ZK-BPV, first flew on the 2nd of August 1960 and was lost in a crash during trials in October 1963. The second aircraft, ZK-CKE, flew in March 1965 under the designation Whitehomo PL-11 Airtruck. It entered commercial service in February 1967 but crashed shortly afterward. Reports suggest a third airframe was started but never completed. Limited availability of surplus Harvard components forced a redesign. Pellarini joined Transavia Corporation, which produced the improved Transavia PL-12 Airtruk in Australia between 1965 and 1985, with 118 aircraft built. Although only 2 PL-11s flew, the type directly influenced the more successful PL-12. Today, the Airtruck remains one of the most unconventional and recognizable agricultural aircraft ever constructed, representing a bold engineering solution tailored to New Zealand's post-war farming economy.